Hey there, Preston with Arcan RV and Red Deer here. Today we're going to show you a beautiful 298 half-ton towable Astoria bunkhouse fifth wheel. So let's take a look at this thing. So you'll notice right off the bat, beautiful front cap. It's got the Rotaflex hitch pin box, so that just prevents your chunking and makes it an easier tow. It's got solar on the side. You get two 30-pound propane bottles, one on either side. Pass-through storage. This has got a 200-watt solar panel on the roof with a 30-amp charge controller, so you're not going to have to worry about charging those batteries on a sunny day. Inside your deep storage here, you get the 18-inch gas griddle, a little bit of an outdoor kitchen. It's inverter prepped. You also get the keyless locks, the MoreRide solid steps. Also, when you TV prep on the outside, you got a little mini refrigerator here. And there's where your beautiful griddle goes. Now this is a 25th anniversary edition, so that comes with your tankless hot water heater and awning toppers, so you don't have to get up there every time where you're in a lot of treed areas and worry about sticks going through your seals or anything like that. There's your tankless hot water heater. You are a 50 amp because this beauty has two air conditioners, fully walkable roof. Let's go step into this. So as soon as you walk in, right away, see a very unique dinette. That turns into a bed as well for that extra sleeping. Two theater style seats, large off campside window. One of the beauties of this unit is even on your campsite, you've got two windows right in the kitchen. Look at that counter space. A lot of drawers. You get a nice little fireplace, TV, #1 air conditioner with the blade system technology. Get a large stainless steel farm style sink. You get the 8 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator and into your bunk room. So you got a bunk here. Let's get some lights on, Preston. Some bunks up top and then a couch in the back here that folds into a jackknife bed. So even gives the kids a little bit of a play area, their own space. And then you get a storage door, so you can throw all the kids' stuff in there and not have to go through the main door. So there's your tankless hot water heater, thermostat, max air vent, stereo. This is equipped with the Solo Connect by Lippard, so you can run everything by your phone via Bluetooth. Up into the bathroom, large shower, skylight for those extra long people, upgraded faucet, little hangers for your towels and everything like that, your toilet, full-size medicine cabinet, more storage underneath, and into the bedroom. Queen-size bed, overhead storage, you got an air conditioner here in the bedroom, with its own thermostat. As in all Astoria fifth wheels, this is washer dryer prepped. So if you want the washer dryer combo, you can throw it in there and everything like that. So come on down, come take a look at this unit. It's a beauty. We'll see you soon.